Hello guys, welcome to Trading X-Ray. Today we will talk about magic levels. What exactly are magic levels? How they are calculated? How they are different from other traditional support and resistance? Is it calculated by historical charts or it directly predicts the future charts? What strategies we can use for magic levels and from where we can get those magic levels. If we talk about traditional support and resistance, they are mainly made on horizontal levels, and according to the charts we draw resistance on the peak of the chart and we draw support at the bottom of the chart, and we expect that in the future chart the price will surely bounce from the resistance or the support levels. Let's check in this particular chart. As you can see, the market has fallen, but still it is very far from the support level. So mostly traders will get confused. They have to wait or they have to trade for. So the support level fails in this scenario. And now let's check the resistance. As you can see, the market had reached the resistance level, but it crossed the resistance without any small bounce and it directly crossed the resistance. So it means the theory of support and resistance didn't sustain in this particular chart. That's the main problem in traditional support and resistance. The other method are we can use trend line, but as you can see, if we extend the trend line, we will create a channel, and this particular channel is respected both on upper and bottom trend line, creating a good resistance and support. And when that channels break, still we just get the two candles and market goes sideways. So even we have to wait for a long time for the break of the trend line and still we are not getting the good profit. That's the main problem in intraday trading. Hence it proves that trend line is also not good for intraday trading. And the biggest problem for the intraday traders are that they have to wait for a long time to get a good setup according to their levels, because the gap between support and levels are huge, and sometimes they have to wait for many days to get the price on their levels. And you already know that market don't move much in a single day. You have to wait till the market comes to your level. The biggest problem for the intraday traders is that they have to take entry and exit in the same day, and they don't have much time to wait for the perfect setup. That's why magic levels play a crucial role in intraday trading. Magic levels gives multiple levels for support and resistance in a single day, and I guarantee you that magic levels will give you at least 2 trades for each day, minimum 2 trades. Magic levels are calculated by a very special formula in a very magic way. That's why it is known as magic levels, and they can also act in the past, live and future trades, and they are totally different for the traditional resistance and support. So don't compare magic levels with them. It has a very high accuracy, especially for intraday trading, and you can check the accuracy of magic levels because I give them daily for Bank Nifty and crude oil on my Telegram channel. Now let's see in the Telegram. Here I have given the magic levels for 29 March for Bank Nifty. You just have to draw those levels on your trading chart and then just wait for the magic. You can ignore those levels which are very far away from the price. You just have to draw those levels which are close to the price. As you can see the yellow line, this yellow line indicates the timing of the magic levels for that day. So left part is already drawn and the right part is haven't been drawn on the live market. So now you can check the accuracy of my magic levels on the live chart. Well, as you can see, the price didn't go below the third magic level. It sustained on the second magic level and bounced back from the second magic level. And then after sustaining above the second magic level, you can see the price moves up and touch the first resistance of the magic level, which is actually around 150 points in Bank Nifty. So you can imagine 150 points in Bank Nifty in a single day. And you can see it has taken rejection from that magic level after the creation of a spinning top and goes down. Then again around the second magic level it forms candles, group of hammer candle, and then one big green candle, and again it touches the resistance of the magic levels. So you can see that you get 150 point trade 3 times. First from second to first, then first to second, and again second to first magic levels. So on this day you are getting 3 trades in Bank Nifty of 150 points. Total 450 points in Bank Nifty in a single day. This is the power of magic levels. As you can see, on the next day market has given a very big gap up. So the previous day magic levels will not be necessary in the next day. But if the market has opened around the previous day's magic levels, then the magic levels of previous day and the magic levels of next day both will work. But you have to give priority on the fresh magic levels. That means on that particular day the magic levels will be more dominant than the previous day magic levels. Now let's check the magic level of crude oil and test the accuracy of those levels in the chart. Now I have drawn the magic levels on the chart, and you can see the price is far away from the support, and also the resistance is also very far from the current price. As you can see the yellow line, I have given the magic levels on that yellow line, so it means the left part of the chart is already drawn and the right part of the chart was empty at that time. As you know that crude oil is a commodity, and commodity moves in a very slow manner and then suddenly it gives a big move. That's the pattern of every commodity. So in this case crude oil is moving slow until it gets boosted, and so you know that commodity can be very volatile because of their weird movements. So whenever you take trade you must have a stop loss and trailing stop loss. So if you have taken trade on the second magic level for the first magic level as a target, then you can still get half the points of that trade, and then market falls back to the second level and then again bounce back from the second level. So you also have to know the price movement of that particular stock in which you are trading, but these levels will still work in every condition, in every stock. As you can see on the second magic level, the price didn't go beyond the red candle because it has a formation of inside bar and the low of that inside bar hasn't broken. It bounced back and you can take the entry at that particular time, and then just see the magic. It gets this move have taken resistance at the line which I have already drawn. These magic levels I have given many hours ago and they are still working. So now you know that So now you know that magic levels will work for every stock and in every condition. They have a very high accuracy. You will get at least 2 trades daily in every magic levels for that particular stock, and you will get 2 trades for each stock by magic levels. And you also have to know some basic knowledge of price action, because trading on the base of support and resistance needs some knowledge on price action, because support and resistance doesn't behave in the same way all the time. As you can see, this is the live chart of crude oil, and it is making a formation of flag and pole. So instead of taking the trade in reverse direction, you can expect the trade or the trend continuation after breaking the resistance. I hope you understand the concepts of magic levels. Now we will talk about important points on how to use magic levels. First, you have to join Telegram channel named Trading X-Ray and check magic levels daily. Test its accuracy for past, live and future charts. So when you check magic levels daily, you can get the idea of the accuracy of those magic levels, and you also have to test the accuracy of those magic level in the past, live and future charts. It means that if the magic level is of 29 March, then you can also check how the magic levels of 29 March is working on 28 March, 29 March and on 30th March. Ignore those levels who are too far from the price. If any magic levels are very far from the price, you don't need to draw it, because in intraday there is a very rare chance that market can give a big move. And I have already told you, fresh magic levels works best, because the old magic levels can contradict with fresh magic levels, because they can be very close. So it's better to draw fresh magic levels and to avoid previous day magic levels until and unless you get a big gap up or big gap down. And as I already told you, these magic levels are made for intraday trading, so it is best for intraday trading. You can use it for holding the trades, but still the accuracy on intraday trading will be higher. So if you are interested in getting magic levels for any other stock other than Bank Nifty and crude oil, you can give a comment, and till then you can watch my another video on stock selection based on TX score. TX score is also a very unique and magical formula to rate the trend of stock from 0 to 100, and based of this TX score you can select the stock for your holding for swing trading. You can also watch candlestick pattern chart from my candlestick playlist.